Amy ngăn nó bỏ chỗ.
Usip pa tao ano. Ako si Mine. Usip pa tao no. Wang tu.
Cái số lâm cài khát cái hiện ADC Amendment Bill 2021 chung changa All Tribal Student Union Manipur ATSUM Himahleh District Hill District Zosia agitation 24 hours agitation shutdown ahin cầu hi Himahleh mite student keloi khom na hello civil society zosi in phatain to sot na ang kinein adi into champur gam sunga KSO volunteers on pata agitation peaceful ta achipi lain wang sinum ta in Kangvai ahihlouh le chi pho cha khai mun la vela ipiha valley mi ho phaizang mite ho to agitation do dal na ahihlouh le bandei lo na ji in volunteers KSO volunteers ho to jingkalam dak pungko le tivelin kinotu na ki het thim lo na na sata na pingin phaizang mite hon da ho zongai khat kum movin buina chu sangta chomphat an manin kinotu na no hin la ki sukha pu in police district police ahihlouh la langlanga police so panlakna zonga hi hita bang buina am pha chun thang ho sa ho avela thang ho sa ho a hi in chuting le phaizama neo khat alam kai te ho Kangvai in pipu ina to khom na nei vin hebang chun hi chi ki buina chu su lap subside a hi phanin tu hin angai na bangin Kangvai mun ahihlouh la district pompia agitation ATSUM ki phin na hi phatata to so na hi tu chung thili a he thim lo jong tam ta yum deu a hi in aki bol ho zo si hi Himahleh mi tribers kiti ho anaga akuki le adang om lawa ho zo si vian bit na dinga rights ke nation pa Manipur Assembly ado dal ji a hi ilung nup mo na pa hi iphun do ji chun mabana jong pan south ong ki lamai the hi ji chun muntina tribers mite ho zo si Himahleh mite ho zo si na sa ta hi cho ito so no wa tu ni jong first agitation na event mi tam ta ipiham lung na ta ahihlouh le ngai na ta agitation ki bol he phalo win kin neu cha imo pot win hi choi i bol lo di hin agitation au meeting le ai thei chana ina mai me jong le inam egam ito so na ti jong hi adi chuchampura cheng kanam mi te ho zo sin i he divin team na ke hin ne ka ke pai
tu chung wang phat ta ti me lo le kidang ten in a very historic decision na chi elected representative for Kuki Naga lo le koyum lo tribal elected representative hi now I put the oven Manipur Hill Areas Autonomous District Council Amendment Bill 2020 Assembly I put the oven Hichahin ama sa penin HSC chairman pu lei sio chunga ki pa thui seven hichita bang Himahleh mite chan voting elo le Himahleh mite dinga welfare HSC article 371C in ei sunu hi safeguard hi na ding le su hoi hi na ding apan hin lau hi ki thang at pi om ve ti tuni ni phongdo no mo ven he chung chona hin iga head be du khachu ai ta num khalo tribal elected representative for ni United States alo le kilung to tan hi chung chi isu chung chang hin panala ve tiong hi imuthei win ahile assembly pass ding alo assembly table dinga propose alo recommendation hin bol chun Manipur state government in reject hin bol ta in ahin head du khat chu itabang bill yong le itabang recommendation yong le hi chu assembly table ki boarding hi in a technical alo le abuina aume tiang le assembly ki sei di dol hi in hi chum talowin tu chung hin assembly table hin masangin state government hin reject hin bolun hi adia manipula cheng thinghang mi alo le methei valley a cheng ho gului alo le thuchi luya ni seyo chingmi tami amatani ti pau hi chu hi talowin thinghang khan to na ding le thinghang mi pi ho dop to hi na du development kiti mong hi Manipur a cheng majority atam zo mai ho in atinu tam ti tribal ho zo si ngai dan khan hong po do ta in masangin ADC issue in the boy win tun jong ADC election omthei di point hin la tu the tribal interest to safeguard na thading sun article 371C no ya HSC phaizang amendment anaki bol chingpa chu EPG a chu tu chunga hi assembly on table lawa discussion adi on house at ki put up pa chu accept ki bol lo hung ki reject ham ti tu na thing hang mi te on ha ta igel kho du dei umin tunin ATSUM vai sai in 24 hours nidan ban thing hang mi te chen zo sia ain phung do win he chu to chun ki se hi ke so chu chan pulin panha ta kila like minded organization HSA ZSP GSO alo dang ho zo si to ki thua chiban hin ki bol hi in ahin la hichla hin wangsit tein Kangvai hin buina neu khat nomin he chu tabang buin ham ta le e chen khom piu mail ho a kunin ipiham lunggel phat alo le tu phamomong apot thei tapoi ti tuni mu in mu do beovin a Kangvai ban ki bola peaceful demonstration alo le peaceful protest ki bol pa chu su boy in hungumin ale alang to district police Chochampur district police in Bishnupur district police ho honguvin ale mi pi chu hong no chai hong dal che win hicha chun neu khat chu kisu khana ailo ale kisu mul phone nei ma cham loin ai su chu hongumin yong le tunin athang pin volunteer ho hi Kangvai koite tuibong ale lam kalanga jong umin tune sai nom peno chu Chochampur mi pi te zo sin hinga appeal ka hin bon num chu pem te le to azong hi chi tribal movement nei lo le thing hang mi hoding a phat chom na ding to gon zo si ATSUM vai sein a keso hin ansam hin hung ki chi pi to pe ding hin tunia jan khangkim apana tu jan khangkim chan hi bani ko hi in I ham tia state government in 2 monsoon session hi chi bill hi table hi lowa discuss on ading pura bahung hi lowa le to asang hata panila khom diu delhi ke hepoi thinghami ho zo si chen mun zo sai hata ke tho khom wa panila du he ti tunin appeal kain bo no men tunin japi support na le CSO dang ho support akimuin banjong alo hling selin hichakuna ipeham demand elo le ikipin lo na pau hi hunga so ding jong ikinem naw to kain phun do bein te
Manipur government refusal to even table the Manipur Hill Area Autonomous District Council Act 2021. This act was prepared by the Manipur Hill Area Committee, which is empowered by the Constitution of India and the Article 371C. However, when this legislative body, the Hill Area Committee, prepared this bill for a greater autonomy for the hills, so that we, the tribal, can have a little space for development and also a little space where we could grow up so that we can be at par with the valley people. So this bill was prepared in such a way that it will lift up the tribal and give us certain amount of autonomy. However, this bill was not even put to the floor of the assembly. It was not even tabled and was rejected on the ground of technical fault. However, we, the tribal, under the aegis of ATSUM, and each of us wanted this bill to be passed by our government. So we are hesitating. Today ban is so called to pressure our government to put that bill for discussion at the house. Maybe anything can be rectified, but then we want it to be passed. And until our demands are achieved, we will continue to fight on. And also today, we have deployed lots of volunteers, even in Shutdown itself. We are very successful in enforcing this total lockdown. However, there is a skirmish with some valley people in the Shutdown district boundary at Kangvai. Our volunteers who were put up at Kangvai were asked to retreat by the mite population of the Kangvai area. After that, a scuffle broke out between us, but with the help of the law enforcement agency, there is no casualty and there's no much big problem. But we feel that the majority valley people are scheming a lot of things to even disrupt even our agitation. And we would like to present our views, and also would like to put forward our point to the government of Manipur that we, the tribal people, really wanted this bill to be tabled and passed in the assembly, and also we request our government, the government of Manipur, to take this into consideration and help give us pass the bill so that we, the tribal, can have a space where we could develop and be at par with the other district of the valley. Thank you.